Good morning, this is MetLoop meteorologist Dave Elliott with your weather update for Monday, October the 31st. Starting out with the national satellite and radar loop, we can see we've got high pressure dominating the eastern and southern portions of the country, with a low pressure system and a weak frontal boundary pushing eastward through Montana and the Dakotas. This is bringing some rain and some pretty gusty winds all the way from Montana down through the higher elevations of the Rockies in Colorado. A little further out west, we've got another strong low pressure system approaching the coast of Oregon and Northern California, and that's bringing rain and gusty winds to that area. And switching over to the current temperature map, the early fall pattern continues on with cooler temperatures basically everywhere, except for in the southern portions of the country from North Carolina down into Texas. We do expect to see a little bit of a change in the pattern by Friday, however, as a cold front swings down through Florida and is going to bring some much cooler and drier air with it. For the day today, we aren't looking for any real organized areas of severe weather, although we do expect thunderstorm activity to continue to move eastward from the Dakotas over into Minnesota and the Great Lakes region today. Not looking for anything real severe, as I mentioned. However, there is a good chance for some hail and some gusty winds in there, so please keep an eye if you're in that area. A little further south, we are expecting to see some thunderstorms and rain showers on and off throughout the day today, especially in southeastern Texas as they move in from the Gulf. But again, nothing severe expected. And out in the Pacific Northwest, as we mentioned earlier, we are looking at that low pressure system moving in, and as it does, we're going to see some pretty good rain and winds, possibly some thunderstorms from parts of northern California and southern Oregon today. There's also a pretty good chance at some winter type weather in the higher elevations of the northern Sierra Nevadas and in the Cascade Mountain ranges, looking at some snow and ice later on tonight. And finally, we are looking for extremely gusty winds to continue from the western Dakotas down through Montana and Wyoming. We are expecting to see wind gusts from up to as high as 60 to 70 miles per hour today, so if you're in that area, please be safe. And that's your U.S. Outlook for today. Hope you have a great weather day wherever you are and a happy and safe Halloween. Please be sure to follow MetLoop on Facebook and Twitter for all the latest and most accurate weather information.